Hey, how's it going? I have not done an unboxing in a minute, and I stumbled upon an account for some stuff that I really, really love, to support someone I really, really love. And it's kind of funny. It's a funny little story that back in the mid 2000s, I guess, when the TV show first came on, that show resonated with me, and that show was Jersey Shore. Now, all the snobs, I just give a little bit of oil. All the snobs can go bye bye. And if you say, oh, all those people who would say, like, I just spent, an hour of my time I'll never get back when they watch that show. But for me, I love that show. I love that show because we were in the recession. I was starting a business, or I was in the middle of running my business. I had a lot of family stress. I had a lot of things going on. And as soon as Jersey Shore started coming on, it was like so much fun. It was laughter. It reminded me of my life in the 80s. I'm only 4'11", and I love leopard print. I've been wearing leopard print since 1979. And I was a party girl. I shared a house with a bunch of people in the 80s. And suddenly, when Jersey Shore was on, I was like in my early 40s. And I was like, oh my God, this is like me and my friends 20 years ago. It's so much fun. It was a breath of fresh air. And especially love Snooki because I'm only 4'11", and she was like me, she was just trying to meet guys and meet a cute guy, and then she ended up finding her husband meeting her husband on the show, and then dealing with a drama with roommates, and then finding friends on the show, meeting her best friend on the show, JWoww, and all of that, and I stayed a fan of that show consistently for years. And then whenever I would go out, especially when I had darker hair, and I'm a fan of the poof. I'm a fan of the poof from way back. Whenever I would go out, and especially with my darker hair, people would say, don't take this the wrong way, but you know who you remind me of? And I'd be like, who? And they'd be like, Snooki. I'm like, well, that's a compliment because I love Snooki, So, luckily, my era, we didn't have cameras. So some of my falling down, drinking moments were not caught on camera, but I've had, I'll admit to having quite a few way back in the 80s, and a few in the 90s and the early 2000s too, and maybe one or two here and there. But, for the most part, I'm pretty moderate with that, like we, tend to be as you get older. But anyway, she is quite the entrepreneurial. I've been following her ever since, and as well as the Jersey Shore family vacation shows. And she has her own line of boutiques. She has her own website. She has, all kinds of products, fantastic products, and she does makeup. She comes on with her hairdresser and good friend, and they have podcasts and they have videos together and a lot of cool stuff. So I've been following her ever since, and I'm still I think I'm still following some of her old channels that she's on just because I thought, well, maybe she'll come on those things too. I don't know. So anyway, I'm a super fan. And now she's a mom with kids, and she's sort of like doing things much more responsibly, and it's just cool to see. It's cool to see people grow up and change and do better, and just root for people who are normal people doing things like I'm a normal person trying to build my, little empire in my own way. So anyway, I have a big box from the Snooki shop. And I did open it and just take a peek, but I thought, I'll come in and definitely do a video. So everything is individually wrapped very nicely, which I appreciate the careful, and here we have a card here. Okay, I appreciate the careful care because not everybody does that. Okay, we have Snooki Shop, follow us, latest info, new arrivals, scan me. Thank you, Mama. That's her thing, is Mama. Thanks so much for supporting my shop. People enjoyed shopping my favorites in my closet. Don't forget to tag us so I can repost all of you. Come back soon. We get new arrivals weekly. Love you, Snooki Shop, #Snooki Shop, SnookiShop.com, Madison, New Jersey, Seaside Heights, Huntington, New York and Nashville, Tennessee. She just opened, so she's got 4 locations of the actual boutique. They were actually having a big sale, and a lot of things were marked down. That's one of the main reasons why I frequented. But I just happened to, a while back, I subscribed to the emails and I saw they were having a sale. So, okay, so look at this. Isn't this pretty? Okay, so I got some lip gloss, okay, but this is so pretty. The packaging, the care, you know, that she put into this, or their employees put into this. This is really nice. Okay, Snooki gloss, the Snooki shop. Okay, this is color 60. Okay, what's this thing? Ingredients, okay, and then, all right, I don't remember which, oh, this is so pretty, yeah, look at that, let's just do a quick little swatch, oh, wow, oh, gorgeous, okay, fantastic, let's put a, similar to what I have on, okay, of course, all right. And then we've got more bubble wrap. Okay. More bubble wrap. Oh, another card. What do we have here? Snooki shop with a leopard. Okay. And then info on, I guess, New York packet. Okay, here we have. Let's turn this way. Okay. What do we have? Oh, we have another thing. Okay, this is another little black. I like the black bags. I can use these and put my samples in. I'm a good person. This is a sticker. When she got arrested, I had to resist. I had to resist because this is one of the funniest. This was the funniest moment, and she owns it. And it still cracks me up whenever I see that scene when she was. It's like, I'm a good person. I'm a good person. We all feel that in that moment. We've all been there. Well, let's I relate. Let's put the Snooki setting powder, Snooki shop, okay? Love. Okay, Snooki setting powder, and it was 22, but I think I definitely got it on sale. Definitely got it on sale, and some things were $2.50, some were $5, some was ooh, look at this, beautiful setting powder. I love, oh, nice puff, okay, and then there's a sticker here, which is good because it wasn't messy. Okay, I have to get my tweezers because my nails are too long, of course. I'm not in Jersey, but I'm in Maryland, so I guess we have our Ocean City here, which is sort of like the seaside. It's like the seaside of Maryland. It's like the seaside beach of like oceans, like on Jersey Shore. So, and us, you know, us old school Marylanders will say, we're going down to the shore, hon. All that, so it's very much that seaside place that they would go for Jersey Shore for the show was so much like with like the amusement rides and stuff, and that's like how it was for me growing up, and in that, you know, my late teens, early 20s, going with friends and hanging out and all that stuff. Okay, oh wow, look at this, a beautiful mesh. Okay, let's get some. Oh wow, oh nice. Okay. Oh, gorgeous. Nice quality. Good quality. I love it. Okay, what else do we have? I ordered some makeup. Wrapped very nice. Oh, fragile. Handled with care. Okay, very appreciate that. Oh my gosh, it's already coming. Snooki bronzer palette. Okay, here we go. Look at how gorgeous. Okay. Oh, stunning. I needed some new blushes, and this was on sale. So reasonable. Look at this highlight. Oh my god. A lovely holographic. I didn't expect that. That's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Put a little here. And there's a nice bronzer. Look at that. I'll just put it all on. Put it all on. And a nice mirror, gorgeous, stunning. Snooki, I'm impressed. And I think there's one more little thing. Oh, that's right. I ordered, there was a little body wash. You know me, I can't resist a body wash. I'm really loving these little black bags. And then, look at this. This is my receipt. This is so cute. We come in little packages. I love it. All right, this is the body wash. I'm excited to, and of course it has leopard on it, Snooki. And then moisturizing body wash. Okay, this is super. What's it say? Super tan. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I wonder part of her tanning line. Nice scent. I can't wait to use it. I wonder if this will kind of give me a little bit of a glow. A little bit of a glow. So, is that it? I think that's it. I just ordered a few things. But yeah, that's it. That's it. But I just ordered a few things, and I'm so impressed. Thank you so much, Snooki and the Snooki Shops and the team at Snooki Shops for putting this together. And very reasonably priced. Even if they had been on sale, it's very reasonably priced. And I'm glad to support her. Glad to see people, just be successful. I like to support people who I enjoy, and who brought me joy. She brought me joy, and the rest of the cast has brought me joy, and continues to bring joy. And it's just a lot of fun. And I try to bring fun on here, and some smiles, and bring joy to you all too. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. And don't forget to share for someone who likes beauty and style, or maybe someone who might just need a smile. Okay? All right. Thank you so much. Take care. Thanks. Bye.